This will be 5 minutes at 200 words a minute. Ready? Very few students like to do homework, and everyone seems to put it off. After all, why start your work now when you can watch another episode of Arrested Development? Usually, the problem isn't an unwillingness to do the homework at all. After all, you did search for this article. The problem, most of the time, is finding the motivation and starting. Now, it's time to get over your procrastination and be motivated to study. Plan ahead to have free time after school. If you have a study period, do as much of your homework then as possible. The more you do while you are at school, the less you will need to do at home. Try to do all of it in class if time is provided, at lunch, or any other spare time you might have. This way, you may also get help while at school. If you don't understand, ask your teachers while they are available. They're there to assist you. Let them help you. Put the hardest classes homework at the top of your list. Why? Well, this allows you to kick it up a notch. You can start, move on, then continue rethinking it, and then going back to it to do more. So you won't get too bogged down, but it will have priority for the subconscious mind to work on it. See, you don't have to get stuck in that problem. That might take all of your time. Do a quick effort, make it a worthwhile try, then go onward to less demanding homework. Later, go back and see how you can improve the first one with fresh bits and pieces. Open secret back channels, just starting, even if you have to come back and finish your creativity to kick in this dark recess of your mind to really work for you. Creative juices can be inspiring, refreshing, helpful. Break it down. Make piecework. Quickly overview the topic, scan. Read headings, intro, maps, charts, pictures, captions, bold, italic lettering, footnotes, chapter summary to get ideas and perspective angles for ideas to start your thinking. Begin your answer to each problem and essay question by doing parts. How? Make a first sentence or step, do any logical little bits, go step by step. Add a second thought, step, and another, each flowing from the previous one. Going one phrase or sentence at a time makes it possible to write or do something. Skip some lines to leave room to fill in later if you need to move on to another area. To re-kickstart an answer, read what you have already written and or done to check it and see what flows from there, to lead your thinking to your next thought or step, and so on. Set goals and rewards. Once you have completed your goal and finished your homework, reward yourself with some little thing that you would find enjoyable and doable after you finish. Don't use food or treats as a reward, though. Eating could lead to health and weight problems later, unless it's a free snack. Small salad or 2 crackers, 3 or 4 almonds or other nuts, 1 bite of meat or a cup of tea. Save a special book to read when homework is done, or make plans to talk with a friend on the phone as soon as both of you have completed your assignments. Go on your favorite website or even dedicate yourself to a great project you've been waiting to work on. Take advantage of any holiday or vacations that may be coming near as a motivator. On a Thursday, remind yourself that it is almost the weekend, and the moment this homework assignment is done, you'll be one moment closer. Remember that Thanksgiving, winter break, or summer break is nearing, and the moment your homework is done, you can enjoy it to its fullest. The surest way to get over procrastination is to take care of a task as soon as you think of it. Don't delay and tell yourself you'll do it later. Think of it this way. If you procrastinate, you're spending time worrying about the task in addition to the time you actually do it. If you just take action and complete it as soon as you think of it, then you'll have more time to relax. Work smarter, not harder. A fried brain absorbs little information. Break up your homework into chunks. Take regular breaks. Set a timer. Take a 5 to 10 minute break for each hour you study. Get up, stretch, and move around. Drink water and eat a little fruit. Water will refresh your system, and half an apple provides a better effect than a sugary energy drink. Think of the consequences. What will happen if you don't do your homework? Will you get a bad grade? Will your teacher be disappointed in you? If none of these things seem to apply to you, remember that homework is to help you learn, which everyone ultimately wants. In the real world, knowledge helps you master the rules of the game. Think of the benefits. What will happen if you do your homework? You'll get a great grade, your teacher will appreciate your efforts, you'd have learned a great deal, and you'd be paving your way for a better life simply by putting your pencil to paper. Putting yourself in a positive state will reap the benefits and ultimately surge you with the energy and hope to focus back on your work and then even enjoy what you're doing. Find a place with less distraction. Set up your special study place. No friends, television, or other potential distractions should be present. Your homework place should also have a hard surface like a table to write on. If you need to do some of your homework on a computer, as many high school students do, make sure to avoid chat rooms, unrelated websites. If you have difficulty keeping focused or awake, consider doing your homework at the library or at a table with some amount of food traffic passing by it. The quiet atmosphere will help you focus.